In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check for updates in Google Chrome, a task that's simple yet vital for enhancing both the security and the performance of your web browsing experience. Keeping Chrome updated ensures you have the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements, allowing you to surf the internet safely and smoothly. Now, whether you're on a computer or a laptop, these steps will apply. First, let's begin by opening your Google Chrome browser. In the top right corner of the interface, you'll notice a set of 3 vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu button, also known as the kebab menu. Go ahead and give that a click. Once you've clicked on the 3-dotted menu, a drop-down list of options will appear before you. Now, pay close attention to this list because among the many options, you'll want to hover your mouse over the one labeled Help. You'll notice that this will expand to show even more choices. From here, the next option you want to select is About Google Chrome. Clicking on this will take you to a crucial part of the interface, specifically designed for checking and installing updates. Now, here's where a bit of Chrome magic happens. As soon as you navigate to the About Google Chrome page, Chrome springs into action, automatically starting to check for any available updates. You don't need to press any other buttons. Chrome handles this part all on its own, making it incredibly user-friendly. If an update is available, you will see it begin downloading immediately. This is an essential part of ensuring your browsing experience remains secure, as updates often consist of both performance optimizations and critical security patches. Depending on the size of the update and your internet speed, this process could take a few moments. Once the update has successfully downloaded, you'll see an option appear prompting you to relaunch your browser. By clicking Relaunch, Chrome will close and reopen automatically, applying the latest updates immediately. This step is important to ensure that all the new features and security patches are fully integrated into your browser. Remember, keeping Chrome updated not only protects your personal information from potential threats, but also means you'll get to enjoy any new tricks up Chrome's sleeve as they roll out new features. So, make it a routine to check for updates regularly, or simply let Chrome handle updates automatically in the background. And there you have it. Checking for updates in Google Chrome is as straightforward as that. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more handy tips and guides to optimize your digital life.